Alright guys, here's another video about how to make a professional looking website using Weebly for free. Last time we just about finished designing all the elements, and I think the last thing that we added was the blog, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, how to use the blog and everything. You just click new post and then you can just add your text and the usual stuff, the pictures and whatever, the videos probably as well, YouTube video here and everything else. What was I going to talk about? Oh yeah, I mentioned in one of the videos about a website where you can source royalty-free photographs to use in your designs, and this is the website, freestockphotos.biz. And as you can see, you've got different categories on the left here, like say food, and you can browse and select pictures that are relevant to your design and to your business. Right? And as you can see, it says you can download these pictures for free. There are some rules about how you can use these pictures, and I think it's worth your while reading through all the usage terms down there. Also, of course, if you're looking for something in particular, you can type it into the search box and hope that they have what you need. And of course, this is just one of the websites available. I mean, you can search other different royalty free. Okay, royalty free. Let's choose this. Yeah, you can search on Google. So you've got some results here. I haven't checked these out, but freeimages.co.uk. Explore, nature, animals. And of course, again, you should read the usage terms. Okay. Oh wait, I just realized that you probably... Let's go back. freestockphotos.biz. If you're looking for the URL, then the URL is here, freestockphotos.biz. Right, because you probably couldn't see it before. Okay, that's done. What's next? Oh yes, of course you used the default header for the website, the one that I used, YogaFitness, and where is it now? This one right here. But of course you will need to change this to the name of your business, and this is very easy to do. course you can use something like Photoshop, image editing program, but if you don't have anything like that, I've decided to use web-based tools to make logos, and the one that I used is this one, cooltext.com, and it has different logo styles that you can use. The one that I chose was this one, simple, because it looked quite elegant, and I just used the default color, but obviously you can change it to whatever you like. See, I can just make it green like that, and it changes automatically, gives you a little preview, and of course you just, oh, is it some sort of a, okay, it's a commercial, it's a commercial that they have, so you can just change the text to whatever you need, and change the font size. Right? Ouch. Oh, did I press the wrong button again? Let's try this again. Let's go to simple. Choose the color. Choose your text and choose the font size. Right? Okay, and that's it. Then render logo, download image, and that's it. The image will be downloaded to your computer. Right, so once you have the logo, what you can do is use another image editing program such as Photoshop to replace my default logo with your brand new logo. And again, I'm going to use a web-based tool which is called Pixlr, and you can find it at pixlr.com, and you go to open photo editor, and what this gives us is a common working environment, so you don't have to change the instructions to suit your graphics program. You can just, everybody has got access. As long as you have a web browser and the internet connection, you're good to go. Right, so okay, let's open image from computer. Some places, and I have in the files that you can download, I've included blank header for you to use and to insert your own logo. Right, so let's just open image and choose the logo that we just made, and I think it's this one. Right, open it up in Pixlr, select it, and just drop the layer, drag and drop into the blank header. See, just like this. And of course you can save it just like this, but on my original one I have a little tagline here which is very easy to add. You just choose text tool here by clicking on this A icon. Click on where you want to add this text and add your tagline. Now this is a little bit too big, so you can reduce it like this and change the font. Wow, probably not this. Anything will do really, but I'm looking for, I like the cursive style, sort of a hand-drawn look. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, right, you can change the color if you want. I won't bother, but you can just click here and select whatever you want. Right, and then you can move this, if you need to, you can move this into position by selecting this tool, the move tool, and just dragging this to line up with whatever you want. This is fine, and after that you just save as JPEG. Yeah, that's fine. You can even reduce the quality just to make the file size a little bit smaller for the web, so your website loads a little bit quicker, but these days doesn't really make much difference, so I'll just leave it at the default 18. Right, name it if you want. I'll say business header. Right, and that's it. Save it wherever you like, and you're good to go. So I think that's about it. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video, and let me think about what else we have yet to do that you might find helpful, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.